Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Leland the Man. And if you don't see, geez, wait, where is it? Where is it? I just now saw it. We're going bird hunting. I think that's it right there. No, that's not it. Oh wait, that's it. Do you not see it? It's a red bird. It just flew away. It's right there. Wait, do you see it? It's right there. Well, we found our first bird. There he goes. In which that bird is claimed to be my pawpaw. But not really for sure about that. I mean, the bird comes around a whole lot, but yeah. So that's our first bird of the day, a red bird. So we are going bird hunting, and that's why I have it up in this one. So yeah, we're going bird hunting. I can already hear some birds. Oh, I found a bird. And really, birds aren't that important too. Like some people just walk out there and say, "Oh, look, there's a bird." Some people don't even realize the birds. Like, birds actually help us a lot. So people, you could help. Whoa, look at that bird! Wait, that bird's like a jet. Oh my gosh, that bird looks just like a jet, doesn't it? Wow, that bird looks like, seriously, just like a jet. So there's our first bird of the day, a jet bird. So that's pretty cool, a jet bird. I think that's what I'm going to call him, a jet bird. Even though you might say it's an airplane. Well, I'm going to say it's a jet bird, so we can have our second bird. Because bird hunting will be easy/hard. So, here we go. As you can tell by the title, we are going bird hunting/hard. Hard/easy. Will there be more videos to come during June and July and half of May? Absolutely. So I've got to find a stick, because y'all all know I love to destroy anthills. And this one is a big one. That's a big anthill. Where is a stick? Beast out boom by stink. There's a stick. So right now we ain't going bird hunting. We're hunting for sticks. If I do see a bird, I will definitely put it on here. Excuse me. Come on, that was a hiccup. Is it a bird? So we gotta find a stick. Ooh, I found a stick. Guys, I found a stick. It's right there. I don't think that this is gonna be big enough, but we can try it. Oh my gosh, look at this hill, bro! You guys don't know, I love that. Wow, this stick is useless. Here we go, guys. There's no ants that's coming out about here. Oh geez, there are ants that are coming out. But there's no ants that's coming out. So that's super duper weird. So now we're going to destroy this big anthill over here. I'm so excited because I love to do this. So you ready? Bam, 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 bam. Like that. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Cuz. Not to mention there are flying ants too. Oh, third bird over there. Darn it, I missed it. So I'm thinking I might go looking for. Don't sting me! Oh jeez. Where's the bee? Where's the bee? So what to do in a bee encounter? Bees are not harmful to humans unless that you actually hurt it or do something mean to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk away and let that bee be. If it was meant to be, let that bee be. Oh, I found a bird. I found a bird. There it is. Oh, I just went over there. Oh, God. Here comes Mr. Satan, huh? So, I don't think I can find any more. Oh, found a bird. Is there any more birds? Well, birds ain't out today. So, that's great. So I think I'm just going to end right here, or we could go and hunt. So looking for some more birds. I'm going to look for some more birds, and if I don't find some more birds, I'm going to, goodness. Gotta watch out for bees, too. I did not spit, I did this. So I spit it out. There's a baby anthill. And actually, did you know those little anthills? It's best to destroy them now, because they will actually get big. So like I just now did, and two, there's not any ants in it. But see, there's ants that are, oh geez, there are ants that are building that up. So, yeah. So guys, I think about, oh, bird! What bird is that? Oh, I just want to call it the blackbirds. We have found 5 birds. I think it was 4 or 5. I'm going to say it's 5. I know you guys might cause it. Oh, definitely 5. Hey, that was the red bird. So yeah, we found 5 birds. We'll count the red bird again because all again. So oh, another bird. Dude, oh, darn it, he went into the tree. So I think I'm gonna end it right here. Hey, but is it zoomed in? No. But yeah. Oh, found a bird. We found 6 birds today. So yeah, I think we're just gonna leave it like that and end this. We found 6 birds, that's good. And you shall write them down in your journal, and I shall write them down in my journal. Have a Lee day. And check out my other vlog. I meant videos, sorry my bad, because they're not vlogs. If there was vlogs now. Oh jeez. I would have a big vlog camera. I'm an important man child. Only $1 a month can help this child. So yeah. Guys, have a Lee day. Now see you guys here in a little while. Have a Lee day. Peace, dab, dab, dab.